Okay, welcome back. This is video 2, I guess, of this vintage bike build, which is just being done for fun, really. This bike is one of a small fleet that was bequeathed to me by a very dear friend of mine, who we lost a couple of years ago. And this has been the last one to be restored. I've restored each bike meticulously, really as a sort of fitting memorial to my friend. And yeah, this one is the last one. This was a winter bike. This was a home-built frame, cheekily adorned with these Harry Hall stickers, which I think he had spare because he had a proper Harry Hall bike. And this one really has just gained a purpose. My son, who's a little bit bigger than me, this is quite a big frame, 60 centimetres, 24 inch. That's a big frame. He wants something to whiz up and down to the gym on without taking a car. Back into town, bit of shopping. So I'm not concerned at all about having this one resprayed or made to look, frankly, nickable. So I've got a whole bunch of components sufficient to do this build, and so we're just going to have a bit of fun really and mix and match, and not be concerned about putting high quality stuff on this, but there will be some cheeky little hidden high quality parts from the 70s or 80s hidden away on this for the aficionados to be able to have a close look and identify some nice bits of kit. So, but anyway, before I continue, let me show you around a proper Harry Hall that it took me best part of 12 months to restore. Just to give you a flavour of some of the stuff that I've done to date. Okay, so this is a 1980 Harry Hall. Harry Hall, as I explained in the previous video, was a famous Manchester frame builder and wheel builder, bike builder, and he quite famously was the mechanic to Tommy Simpson, and was the one that tried to get Tommy Simpson back on his bike on the fateful 1967 Tour de France ascent of Mont Ventoux, where sadly Tommy passed away, having got into difficulties and I believe heart failure. So RIP Tommy Simpson, one of the best British cyclists we've ever had. And Harry Hall was his mechanic, and this beauty was hand built for my friend Jim, who's no longer with us. And this came to me in a bit of a state because he was unable to ride for many years, so it had literally just gone rusty, and I wanted to bring it back to how it would have looked when it was bought. And all of this that you're looking at now was rust. The beautiful deep flange Campagnolo hubs. This is Campagnolo Super Record group set, as we'd now call it. The cranks, beautiful Super Record rear derailleur, brakes, shifters, and yeah, there's a Super Record front derailleur. You can tell that because it's got the little cutouts here, which is a kind of later feature. You know, everyone started to drill their frames out and stuff, and losing metal was losing weight. That's the way they did it before they went carbon and aluminium and other materials. So, but yeah, so this is just to give you a little insight into what can be achieved with a little bit of elbow grease, because I've done nothing professionally with this. This has all been, these were in a mess as well. This has all been time and a bit of effort with some really rudimentary techniques using things like tin foil and white vinegar, wire wool, and chrome cleaning paste, and yeah, a lot of elbow grease. So I'm not going to take this one to that standard. This is just for fun, and my son suggested that I make a few videos just to show people some of the basics for this. I'm not a bike mechanic and I'm not an expert. I'm just having a bit of fun with this and sharing the experience with anyone who cares to look. So let's get back to that one.